Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Journey with Char on this lovely Sunday morning. I wanted to come to you today to tell you about the Teamy product that I have, a company that I'm collaborating with. I'm so excited, and I have been trying out their products for about a week now, and I absolutely love it. And this is their Greens Superfood Blend, and it is by Teamy. And you guys, it has 16 superfood ingredients, 100% plant-based. It's vegan. It is GMO free, gluten free, dairy and soy free, and it's made without all of those fillers and additives and artificial flavors, artificial colors, artificial chemicals. And you guys, it is absolutely amazing. And this is a plant-based caffeine. For those of you who wants to know if it contains caffeine, it does contain plant-based caffeine, which is a healthier version. Okay, and then it has matcha powder, acai berry, and it has that, y'all. I don't know what that says up close, but yes, it has that. And these are the ingredients and the supplement facts there for those of you who are interested. And this is all what comes inside of this powder. And yeah, you guys, so I'm so excited. I've been trying it for a week and I absolutely love it. I just feel healthier. I feel better. And I mix it with banana and apples, or sometimes I just have it by itself with a little bit of water and a little bit of honey. Today we're going to have it with the Live More organic antioxidant berries. I'm going to show you that. But this is the tumbler that also you can get off of the website. I will put the link below. And also, you guys, I'm so excited. If you're interested in these products, you can go to the link below. There is 2 discount codes that I will have included in the link below, and where you can go directly to their website to view even more of their wonderful, amazing products. You guys, they do teas, and a lot of teas that help for different issues, are just cleansing out the body, detox teas. And I even heard some people say that if you have like digestive issues, they have teas for that. So you guys go there and check it out. They also do skincare, which is absolutely amazing. You guys, we want to have beautiful skin, but I think before you can get beautiful skin on the outside, it starts first with what you put in your body. So that's why today I'm going to make this smoothie, and I'm going to show you what I do, and I'm going to make it in this Pioneer Woman blender. You guys, I will be talking more about this, so stay tuned as I make this smoothie using Teamy Greens Superfood Blend. 16, you guys, 16 superfood blend. Okay, so you guys stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so let's get started with the tumbler. Before we even start anything, I want to tell you, these tumblers come in different colors. I chose the coral because I love that orange / little pink color, and then it just reminds me of the sunny California beaches and sunset. So anyway, you guys, this so many pretty colors. I mean, you can get lavender, purple, blue, whatever color you like. Go to the website, you will see these tumblers and all the lovely colors it comes in. Okay, so it has here a leaf strainer. I wanted to open this up because you can use this not only for your smoothies, but also for your teas. So it has a leaf strainer here. I'm gonna pull this out today because I'm not going to need this, but this is awesome. That's what I love about this, because they also do teas. And you can include this when you're making your tea and to strain it, and then you can add your fruits and whatever all you have in there and your teas in there. When you're drinking it, you guys, none of all of the healthy particles will come out into your mouth. Y'all know sometimes that can be a little, I'm a texture person. Sometimes I don't want all that texture. So anyway, yes, that helps prevent the leaves and stuff from coming through. Okay, and it also is BPA free. The plastic lining is BPA free, and the wrist strap, this is awesome. I love the wrist strap because when you're going hiking, you can just put this around your wrist. You can hold it like this so that you're not dropping it, and you could just have, hey, hike away. You can just hike away and have your smoothie with you. If you're not on a hike, Early morning, you want to make a quick smoothie. You want to get some greens in your system. 16 blends, which is all you need for the day. You can make you a quick smoothie in the morning, head out to work. You can put some protein in there and you're good to go for the day. Okay, you guys? And it has an outer shell. That's what I love about this. Look how easy this is to clean. I am amazed. Also, it has a little area down here that you can put you can even put your vitamins down in here, child, and close that up. You good to go, whatever. Yes, okay. And this is the storage compartment. If you want to put some vitamins down in here, if you want to put a couple of $5 down in here, or you want to put whatever you want in here. So a little thing of lip gloss in here. Let me tell you, it could fit, okay? So I love the fact that they have this little storage compartment. That is so cute. And so now, I'm gonna put it all together, and this is what makes it easy to clean, and that twists back on. See, it goes on just like that. We're not gonna use this. We're gonna set this to a side. And then also, this is your top. What I love about the top is you can plop that open easily. There you go, and you're good to go. All right, you guys? So now we're going to make this, and this is what I love. You can do it with tea or fruit. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, so let's get to this smoothie really quick. Here we go. First thing we're gonna do here is this comes in the smoothie container. So you wanna be real careful as you're searching for it, because this powder is so fine, but that is the smoothie container. You wanna do just 1 scoop, okay? So we're gonna go in, y'all. Look how fine that powder is. Absolutely amazing. First thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab one of these Live More Organic Antioxidant blends, you guys. You can get this from Costco. Absolutely love it. I'm going to open this, and then we're going to add this to the blender. All right. And I love this because it's the portion size, and that's where you can see all the berries in there. And it's the perfect portion size for this. So let's get this going. I'm gonna add some berries. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 kinds today. I'm gonna do one with the berries, just the berries alone, and a little bit of honey. And then I'm gonna do one with the apple and the banana, okay? So we're gonna have 2 different types of smoothie here. So that's the berry going in. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of berries. This is pretty much, that's a lot, okay? You guys, that is what it's looking like so far in this blender. We're gonna see how well this blender works, and we're gonna see how this comes together. So we're gonna use that little bit amount of apple. We're gonna stick that in there, and I'm going to use my water, and this is ice cold water that I got in a pitcher that I got from Target, you guys. We have this so that we can mix everything in the end. Okay, so we're gonna add some water in here. A little bit of water. And then we're gonna add just a tiny bit of honey, just a little sweetener. That is it. That's all the honey I'm going to add. Y'all probably saying, you got the honey out for that? Honey, I love honey. So now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the scoop of the teamy. Look how green that is. Can they see that? You can see it. Look how green that is, the teamy. So we're gonna add that on top. And now we're going to blend away. So let's make sure this is locked. So we have this off like that, okay? And we're gonna put this in. We're gonna put this in and twist it until you hear that pop. When you hear that pop, that means it's locked in, okay? Now we're gonna put this on top to secure it, and we're gonna blend away, you guys. Ready? Here we go. Okay, so now let's take a little bit of water. Might need a little bit more water in there. A little bit more water, and we're gonna blend it away. I like to do this just to help it assist. Okay. All right. So here we go, you guys. There we go. Woo, look at it blend away. And I'm holding the blender here. I'm holding the blender here. I want you to see that. You see that? Or you can do it at the top where it's like that. There we go. So I'm just gonna blend this just so I can get that extra green right there. We're gonna remove the top. The top, I love the fact, you may say it's kind of hard to take that top off, but we want it to be a little difficult to take the top off, because if the top was coming off easy, then that wouldn't be good. So let's get this going. This is the first, and this is the berry blend. Okay, let's do one more blend for you guys. One. There we go. And I think that is good. So that's the berry blend, and it smells so delicious. And as you can see, the teamy blended in nicely with this. All right, you guys, that's the berry blend. Mommy's gonna try that. Taste that, Mommy. She loves it. Next up is going to be the apple and the banana with a little bit of honey, no berry blend. Okay, you guys, so stay tuned. Now we're gonna make the banana and apple smoothie. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I feel that you could just, when you like,
it is really,
you could just feel. Okay, so we're gonna put in the water first. Let's do the water first. A little bit of water. And then I'm going to put the teamy in first so that it can dissolve a little bit more quicker. So that is 1 scoop of teamy. Gonna go inside there. And I like to mix mine just a little bit while it's down in there. Look at all those greens, you guys. Oh, wonderful. Okay, all right. And then we're going to add some apples. Add some apples in here. And then I'm gonna cut up this banana, and this is a nice organic dough banana that I got from Trader Joe's. And we're going to cut this up with a knife, and we're gonna toss these bananas right on in here with this smoothie. All right, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of honey just for some sweetness, just a little dab of honey, and that is it. And I love my water. I love liquid, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to that. All right, so now I'm gonna make sure that this is locked in place. So we're gonna take that, bring it around, lock it. It's locked in place. We're gonna bring this to the top. Hold on, there's still some greens up here, y'all. I don't want nothing left unscathed. That powder is so beautiful. Okay, now, then we're gonna put this, make sure this is locked on good. And then let's blend away, you guys. Here we go. Sorry for all the noise, but that is it. It is done. And then I'm gonna do one more berry for Josh, and I'm gonna add everything to it. So now we get to use the teamy. Let's make sure we twist that off right. Okay, you guys wanna hold it because you don't wanna twist that part off. And then there we go. So now we're gonna take this, I'm gonna twist it, and then all you have to do is just flip that like this, and look at all those greens. Ah, just what I need, right? Perfectly blended well. It did an excellent job with blending this concoction. So now while we still have some greens still in here, I'm gonna taste this for you really quick, and I'm gonna make a berry one, okay? Really quick. All right, let's taste this, you guys. So excited. Okay, look at that health. Just health. Health in a tumbler. All right, here we go. Just enough banana, just enough apple, and perfect amount of greens. I love that you can just taste the greens. Amazing, you guys. Now, while we have the blender going, before we even close it out, I'm gonna make one more smoothie using everything. So we're gonna plop this banana in here because we wanna use up all these vegetables. Plop this banana in here. I'm gonna put the rest of these apples in here. We're gonna see how this machine does, you guys. Put the rest of the apples. I'm gonna put another teamy, you guys, another teamy blend in here. Look how, oh, amazing. So all you need is just that 1 scoop. Put that on top right there. We're gonna close this Teamy up for today. Teamy has done good for us today, yes. And we're gonna add this water. I'm gonna need a little bit more water though. I know I am. But we're gonna, oh, maybe not, we'll see. And then we're going to add the rest of these berries here. And I'm gonna show you what these packs look like again. Okay, you guys? Get all the berries, none left unscathed here. There we go. And then we're gonna add just a little bit more honey. Bam, that's all you need. You don't need much honey. All right, then we're gonna put this top on, you guys. Make sure, oh, child, I thought that was broken. Okay, make sure it's locked in. That's locked and ready to go. And we're gonna lock that top down. There we go. And then we're gonna blend it in. Look at it go. Perfect. Okay, you guys, so we are going to take this off. And just look at that health. Look at the health there. And look at the Teamy green. Oh, absolutely love it, you guys. Okay, you guys, so that was the Teamy green superfood blend. I'm so excited. I hope that you were excited at seeing what greens and health comes in this little container, and that is what I just got finished doing for Joshua. He will be having that later on. And then this is my blend that I did. Look how green, look at all of the health in there, all the health benefits that come with this. What I love about this super green blend is that you can add water, you can add it to juice, you can do it in your smoothie like I just did, or porridge. I even say if you're making muffins for your family, you can even add this in the muffins to hide some, you know, greens in there for your little ones. Okay, absolutely amazing, and you have to go and try it. You can go to the description box for the discount codes for my viewers. I'm so excited that you guys get a chance if you're excited about or interested in about checking into this product. Like I said, it's not just green smoothies, I mean super blends, it's also teas. Their teas are amazing, I heard, and they do have a lot of different options, teas for different reasons, and you guys go on the website, check that out. These also, the tumblers come in many different beautiful colors. I chose coral because I love pink and orange combined together, and so that's that. And before I close this out, also, you guys, I used this Live More Organics antioxidant pack, and I love these because you don't have to pour in. It already has it packaged for you, and you can just go ahead on and make this. This is for a serving. You can even do this, add this for a whole family. You can split this up, okay? And this, what I love about the Pioneer Woman's blender, it is portable, you guys. It's a personal travel blender. Okay, so say for instance, let's put this back on. So you guys, I just got finished cleaning it, but I wanted to just show you. It's got some little teardrops in there. I gotta dry out. But what I love about this travel blender is that it is it's vintage floral, and it's personal blender with travel lid. So yes, you can take this with you, and you don't have to bring a big heavy blender. You can take this to work and leave it in your office. You can have it in your bedroom, you can have it in your guest room, wherever you want, or you can just have it just for your personal use if you're a single person and you live by yourself, or you just want your own blender. Voila, there you go. Give somebody a beautiful gift. If you know someone loves teas, go check out the teas and see what teas do you think they'll like. Get one of these tumblers, or you can include the greens, whatever, or just get it by itself, however you want to go about doing it. And great gift idea to give to someone to start off a healthy year. Okay, you guys, so I just got finished showing you the Pioneer Woman Vintage Floral Personal Blender with travel lid, and right now we're looking at the Pioneer Woman Hamilton Beach Flex-Brew, and we're going to look at this really quick. And today I'm going to do two ways. I'm going to do the ground coffee way, and I'm going to also do the K-cup. So right now what we're going to do, I want to show you everything. So this right here is the drip tray we have here, and it's also a compartment to hide the for the ground brew whenever you want to use the ground brew. Okay, so this is what you would use. I love that it has a compartment to put that away, nice and easy, and you're good to go. Okay, also this is for 16-ounce mugs, or however small you want your mug. This is another mug you can put here. I don't know what size this one is, but you can put a cute little mug size there, whatever size you want. And if you want a tumbler or a bigger, hold on, this is a 20-ounce tumbler, and I'm going to show you with the screw off. I took this off of the Teamy, the compartment that holds things. So this is a perfect 20-ounce tumbler, and you see how that fits perfectly. So you can choose 20-ounce, and I love that. There's that for the larger containers, and then this one is for 16 ounces. There we go. Or smaller, of course, and you can use that one if you want instead. Okay, so let's get started, you guys. I'm really excited. I don't want this to be a long drawn out video. I'm learning just as I go. Okay, you want to first put this in, which is the black funnel, and you want to stick that in just like so. And then this is to hold the K-cup. All right, and then here's a K-cup here. We're going to stick that in, and then we're going to close that. Okay, so I have some water here, and then this is the side where the water comes on. So we're going to pour the water in the top, and let's see what's going on over here. And this is single serve, so this is not what you would put. This is not like your other waters, your other K-cup, or like, now you see how high that water is? I want to add a little bit more to 14. I'm going to add a little bit more water in here. And this is single serve. So this is not something that you would leave the water in overnight like you would with the other waters. Like you can fill it and then you can just come back and redo it whenever. So that's all the way up to the top. All right. And we're going to close that. And then we're going to see how everything works here. So I just cut it on. So let's see what's going on here, you guys. Okay, there we go. We got some brewing going on. Y'all, my battery went out and I had to hurry up and put it on. But there we go. Got a little bit of steam. And look at that. Oh, smells absolutely wonderful. So we're going to let this go through, and then we're going to do the ground coffee. So this is how this works, you guys. It probably was about 2 minutes, Mom, would you say? About a 2-minute wait? Probably was about a 2-minute wait. It's no different from your K-cup in the morning time when you turn on your K-cup and your water's already in there and you want it to get to where it's hot. So it is steaming, y'all, and I just put that water in, as you can see. So it is doing its job. Took a little bit, about 2 minutes, and it's filling all the way up to the brim. Absolutely love it. Look at those last drips. We are there. So I want you guys to see this brew. This is a huge mug. This is a 16-ounce mug, and that 14-ounce water filled on the side completely filled that 16-ounce mug. So I'm thinking however many ounces you want, you can decide if you want 6 ounce. If that's probably even less than, that's probably a 12-ounce mug. If you want 6 ounces, or if you want 8 ounces or 10 ounces or 12 or 14 ounces, it's up to you. As you can see, the water is all the way down here. So I'm going to have to fill this back up to do the regular brew. I'm going to try it in here so that you can see how it feels, the 20-ounce mug. So we're still going to have to fill that water up. So we're going to remove this so that we can put the 20-ounce there. And this time, you guys, we are going to, there we go, there goes the K-cup. I'm removing the K-cup, throwing that in the trash. And this looks like it's easy clean. You just wash it, easy clean. So now we're going to open this. And so now we have the grind holder, so the ground coffee holder. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this. Okay, there we go. And remember, you still have to leave that inside. Okay, so now this takes up to 3 tablespoons, okay, of coffee. Right now I am using the McCafe. You can use whatever brand of coffee you want. There's also so many wonderful brands out there. So this is going to be 1. I like my coffee strong. So it says we can use up to 3 tablespoons. 2, and then we're going to do 3. All right, we're going to take this and we're going to close it. Make sure that's snap tight all the way. Then we're going to take this and we're going to do just like so. And then we're gonna close this, make sure it's closed well. And as you can see, we need to fill the water. And this is the area where you put the water. Let me let you see what that looks like at the very top. So you would just lift this, and we're gonna fill this with water. I do love how this thing get hot quick though. It took like, okay, so now we're at 14. Okay, you guys, can you see that? There we are. Now we're at level 14. So now I'm gonna close this. We're gonna come back down here and we're gonna press brew. Okay? And right now it is what time? It is 2:42. Okay, we're gonna see how long this thing brews. So that was 2:42. There we go. You can hear it. There goes the sounds. And I put 3 tablespoons in this. I love the options. If you do not want to use a K-cup and you want to use just ground coffee, I love that option. I'm floored over that. I just love that option that you can use ground coffee or you can use a K-cup. So how amazing is that? You can just go and purchase your favorite K-cups or your favorite ground coffee, or even go to the store and grind your coffee yourself if you don't have a grinder at home. And just how awesome is that? Just to make this really quick, put your 14 ounces in there, you're done, clean it out, go about your way. Okay, and it does have in the instructions how to clean these, like that, for instance, that filter way down there. I think they do it with a needle. If you see that little filter right there, I don't want to where it pokes it. There's ways that you can clean it. The instructions shows all of that. This is strictly a video so that you guys can see how this machine works. It is by Hamilton Beach, which we know is a pretty good company. And I love the fact that the Pioneer Woman has collaborated with Hamilton Beach, not only with the coffee maker, but also with that blender that you saw me using earlier with the Teamy products, and also with my hand mixer. And I also have a food processor that I'm going to be doing a video on that very soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. But this is awesome because a lot of these products cost so much money in the store, and when you can get these products for much less price, and it's a good brand that we know and trust, and also great design, how awesome is that? That's what I love about the Pioneer Woman, is that she puts great designs on her products, so that whatever your theme is in your kitchen, or even if you love that blue or that vintage floral or whatever, so many different designs she has, you can use that in your kitchen. It's just so bright and happy. Now this one is the only color that this comes in so far. I have not seen any other colors, but y'all listen to that brew. Listen. Ooh, that sounds like a thunderstorm, don't it? Look at that. Oh, look at that dark coffee. Smells so wonderful. Look at that steam. So I'm sorry, y'all, I was talking so much. We're at 2:45. Okay, so it probably took approximately about 2.5 minutes to get hot like it did with the first. About 2.5 minutes, which to me is not bad. Now, if you think, oh, that's too long, you're just impatient. Just pray for you. I'm just kidding. But I'm a patient person, and I just, look at that. Oh, look at that. This is a 20 ounce, y'all. And just look at that. And the Teamy, let me tell y'all when I'm done. Y'all see the steam on here? So you know when you're doing the Teamy with their teas that they use, you know that it's not going to be hot. Y'all, I don't feel any heat with this. Okay, now let's look at this Teamy. Y'all, my hand is on this. I am not, look how it's hot. Look at the steam coming from there. My hand is not even feeling, it's just a little warm that I feel a tiny bit of warmth. Talking about an awesome tumbler, so I'm excited about that. So yes, this is the Pioneer. I give it 2 thumbs up, y'all. I think it performs well. I think that it's absolutely a beautiful color, but I don't have that theme. I just love the color of it. It's just really pretty. I do hope she does come out, for those of you who want her to come out with more designs to put on this coffee maker. Maybe she will, I don't know. But so far, this is all that she has out with this design. This is the print she has out. I love it. So I give this 2 thumbs up for me. 2 thumbs up for me. I'm very, very happy. The Pioneer Woman Hamilton Beach Flex-Brew coffee maker. So thank you guys. That was everything for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, just to show you what the Hamilton Beach Flex-Brew, how it performs. I give it 2 thumbs up. This is a smaller mug, probably about 8 ounces here. We have a 14-ounce mug here, and we have a 22-ounce. And I showed you these 2 being brewed, and I showed you what this looked like also as well on the holder. But yes, you guys, it is a fantastic machine. I love it so far, and it performed well. It got very, very hot, and it maybe took about 2 minutes for it to get all coming together. Once it came together, it performed excellent. And I just used the Teamy so you guys can see in the 20-ounce tumbler. If you decide you want a big cup of coffee, you know, just to wake you up in the morning, this is the 20-ounce tumbler. It performed, it did well in the 20-ounce tumbler. And I love the fact that this is double insulated, so you do not feel it's not hot. It's just a nice warm. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to watch the Pioneer Woman Vintage Floral Personal Blender with travel lid, and also the Hamilton Beach Flex-Brew. This is a single brew machine. Whatever amount of water you put in will be the amount of cup that you choose to use. Okay, this is not one where you can keep using it because the water is there. So if you put in 8 ounces of water, you put an 8-ounce mug, that's that one-time use. You put in 14 ounces, you put in 14-ounce mug, that's that one-time use. Don't put in 14 ounces and think you can switch it off once or stop it and then it put in another 8 ounce. It's not going to work like that. It will keep going. So this is just for one-time use. Okay, you guys, I wanted to make sure I specifically told you that. So that's what I love about it, and that you will have to fill it every single time you want to use, which is not a problem. There's the filler. Put the water in, you know the amount, put whichever mug you want up there, and you're good to go. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell. It would alert you every time I upload a new video. And if you've already hit that subscribe button and you're new to my channel, thank you so much for finding me interesting, and welcome. I appreciate you hitting that button, and also leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you have a machine, a Hamilton Beach Flex-Brew machine, please let me know below, how do you like it? And this is the only color this comes in, the Fiona Floral, so far. I don't know if she'll be having more designs coming out, but that's what she has so far. So thank you so much for tuning in. You guys be blessed. And remember, trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.